Hi friend, this is the rate iUlpunk and today I am with the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, STC10, LG G5. All are the best smartphones. So which is best or better smartphone in 2016? Let's check it out. So as far as we will start with Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, it is all the three are running on Android 6.0. It is with the Exynos processor, 8890 octa core. It is 5.5 inch. As you can see, the body design looks very good, amazing. It comes with a Super AMOLED display, 12 megapixel camera, dual pixel technology at the back, 5 megapixel in the front. In STC10, you are getting Android 6.0, Snapdragon 820. It is coming with a 5.2-inch display. It has a IPS LCD display. There is a 12 megapixel camera at the back, 5 megapixel camera at the front, and it comes with a solid metal body design with the chamfered edge, whereas the Samsung coming with the Gorilla Glass protection with the shiny finish. As you can see here, LG has inherited its old variants what were running with the same design, and we come with the G5. LG G5 is running on Android 6.0. It is coming with Snapdragon 820. 5.3 inches the display size. It comes with the IPS LCD. It has a 16 megapixel camera at the back, also 8 megapixel. You can see there is a 2 camera at the back and 8 megapixel camera in the front. And overall the build quality is good. This is a semi modular phone. You can take it out the back panel. Here is the fingerprint sensor at the back. As you can see, two cameras are here with dual tone LED flash, so you can have an extension. You can change your modular design with the battery backup, or you want anything. So few things are adjustable on this side. Going back to the fingerprint in the Samsung, there is a front fingerprint, as you can see, and the STC also have the front fingerprint. So it also acts as a home button. There is the fingerprint button. The Samsung, the best thing is that it comes with the IP68, which gives you water and dust proof, and whereas the STC is only IP53, which is water resistant. Here you can see I have put the screen brightness into full, and Samsung Galaxy S7 is over bright, I'm telling you, and it is definitely looking much better. So S7 Edge size is better. It is little bigger when compared. You can have the S7. As you can see in the design, the 3.5 jack in the S7 Edge is in the below. Rest have in the top. The camera you can see all are in the centered line. LG comes with the two camera, which is little different in the back section. Here you can see the Type-C is coming with the STC and LG G5, where Samsung giving you the old micro USB charging slot. Here you can see there is a SIM card slot and STC volume hooker, and overall STC is little bit heavy. LG G5 is little bit light, and whereas the Samsung comes with the perfect body size, I will say that. So overall in this part, I will say Samsung is little bit getting a top edge, and skip that part. Going to the settings, I will show you few more things. And STC is running on little bit on the stock Android. Samsung has cut down its all bloatwares, and it is looking like a fresh OS by Samsung. The UI is very fresh. The LG is coming with the same UI. All are running with Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So this is the flagship smartphone. The brands will not compromise in their OS. This is the top thing, top notch of the devices. The prices of all the three devices are nearly same, so don't worry of the prices. As far as my concern, S7 Edge Samsung is giving you the performance and the design. It is also waterproof, so that takes an upper edge, whereas the STC is going with its brand followers, the STC lovers. STC guys will definitely love this phone. Whereas as far as the LG G5 is considered, it is first of the modular smartphone, and the device is really good. If you like, it is a compelling smartphone. The camera features are really good. Let's start with the camera. So Samsung takes the upper edge in the camera. It has lots of mode inside, lots of settings. So going to the mode, as you can see right now, there is a pro mode, selective mode, frame mode, slow motion, live broadcast, GIA, beauty mode, rear camera mode, collage mode, panorama mode. So there is XYZ mode, and you can download too many modes. Also, as far as the video is concerned, you can take the slow motion video quite great with the Samsung, because I have done it, I have tried that. I'm not sure what the STC and LG is offering. The STC, I know it is coming with the 120 frame per second, whereas Samsung is giving you 240 frames per second, so little bit different at that side. As far the setting is concerned, the STC is giving you little bit pro settings, but not too much in the settings. As you can see, going to the camera option, here are the few things: that the smile camera, video capture, panorama mode, Zoe camera, and still the camera mode is little confusing. It is very new. The app function is very new here, coming with the LG. Taking the LG, as you can see, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it has like 11 focus point. It has a pro mode. It is coming with the too much thing. In detailing, the camera is very good. As you can see, the ISO, autofocus, everything is there. There is timer, how much screen ratio you want. So camera will definitely be one side of the Samsung and LG, which are taking the top notch on the other devices. Now going back to the fingerprint, as I have told you, these are the fingerprints where the LG is giving you at the back. So it depends which kind of fingerprint you like. Samsung doesn't take the fingerprint all the time, whereas there is a little problem. STC I have tried, it is good enough, but LG works like a butter. There is no issue regarding the fingerprint sensor, but the fingerprint is sometimes becomes, my finger is sweaty, so it takes some time. Now as far as the picture is concerned, you can see here the Samsung is putting a little bit extra light on the picture. The beautification mode, you can see that smoothing is there. STC is reproducing the front picture real bit original. There is nothing in the beautify mode. As far as the LG is concerned, let's go and check the LG one. So the G5 camera, front camera is good because it is 8 megapixel camera. It is much better in camera pixel technology. So those who love, because both the others are giving you 5 megapixel camera, whereas LG is giving you 8 megapixel camera. All the selfies are coming out well, and you can't compare the pictures in detail because they are in their section. So as far as the image of the rear picture is concerned, LG is producing the exact amount of color what we can see here, and whereas as far as the Samsung is concerned, it is giving you the overlight. Due to the dual pixel technology, the white light is coming, and in the STC it is average. It is coming in the middle. It is not overlight and it is not less light. So both the things are happening. So which camera you like, it depends on definitely on you. But all the flagships are here, you can see, and I'm just willing to have all the three together, taking a fight on camera, sound and audio quality. As far as the sound is concerned, it has the 32-bit Samsung Galaxy. The DAC file it supports, whereas the STC comes with the 24-bit and the LG comes with the 32-bit. So the sound quality will be compromised in STC, but not them. And as far as the design is concerned, the LG is little bit slick, and whereas Samsung Galaxy S7 is slippery because due to the glass on the both the sides, and whereas the metal build quality of STC is heavy. But these are the flagship smartphone. The brands don't compromise in this smartphone. This is all about the devices. What you think, what you are going to buy. If you have any questions, just drop down below. I would definitely like to help you guys. But as far as my concern, what I will go, if you want camera, I will go with the Samsung. If you want extra pro feature in the camera, you can go with the LG G5. If you want the stock Android performance, definitely STC is the one. So this is all about STC 10, Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, LG G5. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks.